Yes, I am working, but with this view. Not too bad, right? Definitely not too bad. Brazilian music, música brasileira. Garota de Ipanema, gente. Olha que bolsa mais linda, mais cheia de graça. Yes, and I'm here in Fred. I just talked to the owners of Sand Castle. That is a great hotel and resort. And I'm gonna have a drink before I'm leaving to mainland. And I recommend Chris and Tad are the two owners here. They built all this beautiful place. It's amazing. You should come here and enjoy, have a drink. They have good food. The staffing is super friendly, super amazing. I do recommend. So you should stay and come here to hang and have this view, guys. This view is awesome, right? I always have a stop here. It's awesome, right? Take care, guys. Enjoy the day.